I remember Siddharth Malik Saab saying something similar.
Yeah, Daddy used to always feel proud. In fact, the time when I got my first, up to the only national award which I got for Refugee,
Ji, ji.
he said that was a personal high for him. He was very happy when I got my Filmfare Award for Bazigar. He loved the music also. He said, this is not, beta wo kaam karo jo duniya ko pasand aaye. And he had a lot of range also. Because I personally feel that he was super talented. I felt that never got his due, and I said, Daddy, I'll work hard and give you that position. But when I got a national award, he took it as a pride and said, कि जब भी मैं तेरे गाने सुनता हूँ मुझे फख्र होता है. But I said, and exactly, I think you connected to Bhimsen Saab and Kirit ji's.
Siddharth साहब के जो गाने हैं, मतलब अभी तक मुझे नहीं लगता किसी और ने anybody's even touched that.
No, impossible. In fact, I'll do something. I
सारंगा सुने हैं.
I went and touched my dad's feet once, and I said, Daddy, मेरे सारा काम एक तरफ और आपका हाँ दीवाना हूँ मैं. ऐ गम दिल क्या करूँ, and सारंगा तेरी याद में, and मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत एक तरफ. And Daddy said, no, don't say that. I said, fact. हमारे 1000 गाने एक तरफ, आपके एक गाने एक तरफ, which is a fact. His note, the way he composed was something else. But I've been working hard and I've been trying to find my own space.
He's the only man, like for example, I don't know whether you know this, and I must mention it here, and I'm absolutely, and I take every opportunity to mention it here. Ae Ghame Dil Kya Karoon. It's one of the most amazing songs ever composed, and it has, as he told me, he deliberately used hardly any percussion. There's no percussion in the entire song. It's so beautiful. It's based only on rhythm.
Absolutely.
And it's one of the
one of the most finest compositions by any composer. Yeah. And I'm proud to be his son, honestly.
And of course, my own favorite song, of course, being Main Ghareeb Hoon Ka Dil.
The way Hemant ji sang that song was amazing. I think it's a great moment when we talk about Bhimsen ji and my father Sardar Malik Sahab, and it's a great moment, and I pray to God that God blesses actually, and my father up there blesses the film also, Toolpur Ka Superhero, because I think this hard work, and there's something which I must add, 50,000 jobs are online. You know, if this film succeeds, maybe more, 50, I think it will be a lakh. When this film succeeds, Toolpur Ka Superhero, बहुत लोग के घर के चूल्हे जलेंगे, and I sincerely on this great channel, because animation needs that kind of push.
That's right.
Which is very important. This film becomes a big hit.
हमारी animation industry, the animation industry has been a quagmire, and a lot of animation studios have shut down because there have been a lot of animation feature films that have been disasters. And unfortunately, the genre or the medium has got blamed, not the storytelling, not the story, not the quality.
Very
and
sad,
I believe that only good stories or stories well told will work. Whether
Absolutely.
it's animation or not.
क्योंकि बीच में क्या हुआ था कि because Hollywood was doing a lot of back office animation from here, so everybody decided to open up an animation shop. हर एक ने कहा कि भाई जैसे बीच में एक दस्तूर चला था कि भाई चैनल चला लो.
Without having the expertise, without having the expertise, nor the knowledge, nor the creative sense to actually write good stories and execute good stories.
Just like you got every third guy who thinks he can be a very good music composer.
Right.
Well, I think each to his own, but I think they are missing the bus when they do not know exactly what they're talking, because music composition is just not sitting on a piano or a synthesizer or downloading music or downloading other people's sounds, whether you're working on Nuendo, Cubase or a Logic. It is about understanding the vision of a director, which I'm actually teaching the people who want to become composers. Everyone has the right to become a composer, and you should if you have it in you. But it is not just about, when I said the harmonium should not be looked down upon. There will be some jokes on the harmonium. अभी किसी चैनल पर तो चल रहा था कि यहाँ कपड़े कहाँ टांगे जाएं, उसमें क्या डाला जाए. I found it funny. They don't even know what a harmonium is and how beautiful an instrument it is. But I've seen the West people, the whites, who suddenly look at the harmonium and look at the say, what an instrument. It has to be preserved.
They actually crack jokes like that?
I just heard it on a show.
Or to be ashamed of themselves.
Actually, they should be ashamed. They're absolutely stupid. And I can say that I found it very funny that they could actually come out with a joke on a harmonium. And especially if you find a composer who sits on a harmonium, but he listens to the vision of a director. And I challenge these people to understand or even understand कि जब वो डायरेक्टर आपके सामने आके बोलता है रबदूत और बोलता है तू ना सुर और बोलता है तू नस्त्र, भाई गाना बना के बताओ. गाना सुनना बहुत आसान है. उस वक्त जब वो माहौल होता है, जब आपके मंगट जी हैं, अजय देवगन हैं, एरोस वाले हैं, डायरेक्टर है, डायरेक्टर के असिस्टेंट्स हैं, और आप बाजा लेके बैठे हुए हो. फिर वही बाजा बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है जब आदमी सुर निकालता है, क्योंकि यहाँ से निकलता है. सरस्वती माँ की कृपा होती है, फिर यहाँ जहन में आता है, फिर बाजों में नोट बजता है, और फिर डायरेक्टर बोलता है वाह मुझे क्या गाना मिला. Let people understand what a composer is.
Let me tell you something. Let me add to this that I am as tech savvy as a director you can get in Bollywood. because I play with technology all the time apart from being an artist. And there is no way I would compromise on the music sense that Anu Malik has in that sense. Wow. Because idea is that at the end of the day it's about the melody. और वो आप हारमोनियम से बजाएं या कैसियो से बजाएं या पियानो से बजाएं या आप उसमें किसी भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट से बजाएं. The important thing here is to understand what is actually happening, and I never felt that he was out of depth or out of cue in understanding what the requirements of the film is, which is very important. And I mean, there was a new age music that we wanted. We wanted the structureless, formless music, and he completely understood that.
Fabulous.
And he broke away from whatever his past learnings is, and that's the greatness of Anu Malik, is that he has destroyed what he has learned just to create something completely new in this film.
That's amazing.
He's
amazing.
Learning. He has destroyed that.
But sir,
you just let go of the back into the past.
Yeah.
Because every day is a new day, every film is a new film.
Yes.
And as I said earlier, that we live in an industry which is a Friday to Friday industry.
Right.
But the vision of a director is very important. जो director ज़हन में लेके आता है, सोचता है, if you can't follow his vision, you're not meant to be a composer. You can be a sound designer for an album.
Right.
Albums are different. Albums are different, but when you have a man coming with a script, it could be anything. If it's an animation film with this storytelling, you have to live up to this.
Let me also say one more thing here, is that all of us lived very dangerously. We all used to live by the maxim, do one thing every day that scares you. And the film, if you look at the film, it's very, very difficult and very challenging. So it was very scary for us. And everybody who came on board lived with the same maxim, were required to live with the same maxim कि बॉस अगर ये तुमको ऑलरेडी आता है करने तो ये मत करो, हमको ये नहीं चाहिए, हमको कुछ और चाहिए. तो ये
I know
he's lived that, right?
Yes, absolutely. He's stuck on.
He's stuck on because you come out with beautiful questions and we have to give absolute truthful answers. I know that I don't know.
Exactly. That is what important.
I believe that I still have a long way to go.
That's the whole point.
I may act very strong and all that, but I'm always faced out with the
first
thing.
He's like childlike. He has a childlike.
Am I going to compose this? Can I compose this? There is this fear always that strikes me. And I always feel, Kirit, hoga ki nahi hoga? And then you have someone to egg you on and motivate you, and then the song comes out.
Exactly. And that is so important that you have to be childlike when you're composing, because you cannot go with your past baggage and be Mr. Know-all.
Ho gaya, awards ho gaye. But that reminds me.
Every day is
But he is a man who's won 5 national awards and I have won 1. Hopefully, Toonpur ka Super Bowl mein chakka to lagega.
Gentlemen, it's been a great pleasure talking to the both of you. And Toonpur ka Superhero, from whatever I can make out, is already a hit. So wonderful having you here. And
thank you, sir.
Watch the film, all right? Go watch the film. But before we let you go, could we hear a little bit of Toonpur ka Superhero from you? I mean,
sure,
one
sir.
of your favorite songs? Can we hear it?
Every song has a favorite line. One is the जीतोगे तुम हमको यकीन हीरो हो तुम जैसा दुनिया में कोई नहीं सुपर हीरो टूनपुर का सुपर हीरो या पासपोर्ट ना होते कोई परदेस ना जाता एयरपोर्ट ना होते कोई परदेस ना जाता अरे डॉलर पाउंड दिनार खींच के ले जाते हैं यार डॉलर पाउंड दिनार खींच के ले जाते हैं यार ओए पासपोर्ट ना होते कोई परदेस ना जाता सो लेट्स गो टू टूनपुर लव मस्ती के लिए ये जगह बड़ी मशहूर If you wanna party, let's go Toonpur. Tunak. You wanna go Toonpur? Get up early, see the film.
Get up and do something. See the film, all right? Christmas Eve, happy Christmas to everybody, but go see the film. Toonpur ka Superhero, releasing on Christmas Eve, 24th of December, coming up in just another 3 days. All right, on the 4th day, the film releases. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you for coming over here.
Thank you very much for your time. It was a great pleasure talking to you.
Thank you very, very much. And we've been at it for an hour. Amazing, right? We thought
we it was quite.
It was exactly 1 hour, gentlemen. Thank you so much. Right. Time to take a look at the headlines. And after the headlines, we will, of course, talk about Mr. Narendra Modi and Rahul Gandhi. Whom do you want as your Prime Minister? Up till now, I can tell you, the survey that we've got, we still have exactly the same numbers coming up. More than 89% of the people want Narendra Modi as the Prime Minister. Are you going to change that tonight? We don't know that. When we come back, we'll talk about that. But let's look at the headlines.